Today I will show you how we are installing Plannar Video Wall. First of all, you have to put this base in the middle, the big one. And then you have to make this small one 5 pieces and the middle 2 pieces, the small one. This is how you will make the frame. You can see this is Mr. Qasim, the video wall professional. This is our Mr. Asif. This is from India. And then you will make sure while you are installing, the gap should be all over the same and your video wall is in the level. Stay with us for future videos like this. Thank you.